key bind. Got the access code. Ascent, proceed. Yeah, beautiful. 26, 36 feet per second up.
I'll take 5.
Put a pitch over.
We have later.
We got very smooth.
Yeah, anything looks good, fine. Thank you.
Balance couple off.
Thank you. Bottle to the door now.
Very quiet ride. There's that one failure in there.
Tank 2 is good, Captain. No manual start override, flight. Say again. We have no manual start override. You want it? Affirmative. Next time, manual start override.
Eagle Houston to request manual start override.
Getting control.
Roger.
Negative flight. You should have it now. We have it now, flight.
Thank you. No.
Side eye, you looking? Got it. Go, go, go. Okay, good flight. 1 minute looks good, Captain. CCD looks good.
Roger.
How are you?
Looks good, flight.
It's a very quiet ride, just a little bit of slow wallowing back and forth. Not very much thruster activity.
Okay,
Roger, mighty fine.
Control, how's the healing going to fly? Healing look good all around? Okay.
700, 150 up. Beautiful.
Go.
Fine sound.
Looking good, Captain.
AX degrees within a foot per second.
Looking good. Nice. Good in 2, Captain.
Eagle Houston, you're looking good at 2. Ping, flags, and mid-spin, all agree.
But that's the time. 170 up, beautiful. 14 times. And a foot per second again, AX to change.
We'll change that flight. Go, go, system.
Roger. Control, looking good flight. Delta, looks real good.
Looking good, flight.
Final all socials on the money.
Roger that.
That fan looks like it's home stretch.
Yeah, that's good.
Roger, we concur. Great.
1400, 185.
Got it.
Go, go, system.
Control,
Here we go.
Delta.
Go.
Go at 3, Captain.
Oh. Eagle Houston, your go at 3 minutes. Everything's looking good.
Roger.
4 minutes, flight.
Roger.
4 to go.
Right on H-Dot. Coming up through. This is H-Dot max now.
Still looks good, right? Yeah. Cap's looking good, you. Conservative. Feeling and tracking. Coming right on down. Okay. Now I'm going to use the chin. Is that right?
Roger.
We're going right down US 1.
Delta.
Looks real good, Roger.
Okay.
Go, go, system.
Still tight, huh?
Better than ever.
Okay. Fido. Fido. Shadow. Okay. Head forward, Captain. All good.
Eagle Houston, 4 minutes. You're going right down the track. Everything's great.
We got the beam off to our right now.
Roger. 3 minutes to go, flight.
Roger. 3 minutes. Still looking good, fine. Okay. Fido. Okay. Delta.
Go. ready to go.
We got the manual start right then. Affirmative light. We have both auto and manual round. Okay. Auto shut it up.
There's rudder off there.
The arms at 56 per second to go. When it
There it is, right there. Well, there's that.
5 minutes.
And that's the present.
Got it.
Let's go, let's just
Control. Where we go?
go.
At 5.
Eagle Houston, 5 minutes. You're 33. DI 155. Looking good here. Mark the pretty spectacular ride.
Let's go. Still good, bud. Helium tracking right there, coming on down. Right. Tracking right. Affirmative. We're a little above our predicted. Good.
Iron also sounds good. It's off to the right.
Great. Good there, control. Affirmative. Side up.
We're gonna go, Floyd.
Got it.
Go, systems.
Control. Where we go? Down. Go. F9. 6.
Eagle Houston, still looking mighty fine. Roger, good agreement in Delta B to go and both eyes and things. Roger.
Control, let me know when you have
Minute to go, flight.
engine arm off. Okay, roger. Copy that, guys.
Ready to go?
Copy. Roger.
$700 to go. Okay, I'm going to open up the main shutoff.
Go to main shutoff.
30 seconds, flight. Ascent speed slow, pressure's holding good, cross speed
Lanes
off.
open.
350 to go.
350. That's not closed, ascent speed just. Ascent speed closed, cross speed closed. Engine.
And we're in the engine arm.
Engine arm should be
90,
on.
okay, off, 50, shut down.
Arm off. Roger. Shut down.
You got 53373, 32.83 per second, 60,666. Go all
Great, great. Go, Ivan.
Eagle Roger, we copy, it's great, go. Hey, what you got a residual.
Look at the residuals.
Yeah,
Fido, do you want anything at all?
trim the residuals, Floyd.
Trim all of them? All of
Eagle
them?
Houston, trim residuals. Hold on.
All of them, Fido?
That's it.
Flight control. Tell them you to reset the abort stage. Reset abort stage. And engine power override and turn balance couple on. And what engine one? Engine power override. Okay? Capcom reset abort stage. Yeah.
We're working on it.
Just reset engine stop, flight. That's all you have to do.
Flight
Okay.
Fido.
Yeah.
Close enough.
Good enough, Capcom.
Eagle Houston, trim looks good. That's good. Okay, that sounds a little on the high side.
Guys, we get time for P52.
Okay. Second flight. Okay, Houston, we're still 47.3 by 9.5.
I didn't copy that, Kevin.
Roger, 47.2 by 9.5.
Okay. Flight control. Yeah. I'd like to get those CGS 53 set.
Tag there, 9.5.